So now we're going to install Git SCM, and you can see I'm cycling through my open applications. On Windows, you could do this by holding down, I don't know, the Alt button and then Tab. And while continuing to hold down Alt, you just toggle Tab, and it'll allow you to switch. So you're going to go to the web, and you're going to search for Git SCM, and then go to Downloads. And when you get to Downloads, it's going to say 32-bit or 64-bit. Choose whatever's right for your system. I showed you in the previous video how to figure out your system's word size. That's the word size. And word size wiki will take you to the computer architecture. It's how many zeros and ones can be processed at one time by your computer, 64 or 32 bits, binary digits, right? How many zeros and ones processed at one time. So choose whichever one's right for you. I showed you in the previous video how to do that. And then go into Downloads or wherever you put it and double click it. And so we're going to install Git SCM. And I'm going to click yes, and then next, and then next, and then I'm going to accept these defaults right here, next, and I'm going to accept that, next, and then here's where I'm going to change it. Vim is like ninja level, like Obi-Wan Kenobi coding. So we need Visual Studio Code as Git's default editor, and so we're going to choose that one because we have VS Code installed, and let Git decide. That sounds good to me. And Git from the command line and also from third-party software. Sure, that's recommended. We'll go with that. And use bundled open SSH. That sounds fine. And use that. Sure. And check out Windows style commit Unix style line endings. Sure, that sounds good. And use min TTY. Just everything else is defaults. It's just that one we needed to change. Git credential manager. Sure, fine. But there's so many options here, right? And experimental support for pseudo consoles, we're just going to ignore those. So just do all that and just change it to VS Code, that one part. All right, see you in the next video.